On the 78th Independence Day, a nation stands united to celebrate the essence of freedom and the incredible journey that has shaped our country. This day is a reminder not only of the end of colonial rule, but also of the dawn of a new era. A period marked by our collective aspirations, challenges, and numerous accomplishments. As we honor the sacrifices of those who fought for our independence, it is also a moment to reflect on the progress we have made and to recommit ourselves to building a brighter, more inclusive future for everyone. This sentiment was beautifully captured in Bhubaneswar's Gandhi Marg, where Independence Day was celebrated with grandeur. The event witnessed 58 contingents participating in a magnificent parade that showcased our unity and strength. Adding to the spectacle this year was the majestic sight of horses marching down Gandhi Marg, a new and striking element in the parade. In a historic first, Mohan Charan Majhi, the newly elected Chief Minister, became the first BJP leader to hoist the tricolour in Odisha on this auspicious occasion. Speaking from the ramparts of Gandhi Marg, CM Majhi highlighted his vision of seeing India emerge as a developed nation by 2047, a goal that resonated with the hopes and dreams of millions. During the state-level celebration, CM Majhi paid heartfelt tributes to the legendary freedom fighters of Odisha, including Pandit Gopabandhu Das, Madhusudan Das, Nabhakrishna Chaudhary, Gopabandhu Chaudhary, Shahid Lakshman Nayak, Veer Surendra Sai, Chakra Bisoi, Rama Devi, Malati Chaudhary, Hare Krishna Mehtab, Biju Patnaik, and Parbati Giri. He also honored the heroes of Paiko Rebellion, remembering the bravery of Bakshi Jagabandhu, Jai Rajguru, and many other valiant freedom fighters from Odisha. In his tribute, he did not forget the countless soldiers who sacrificed their lives for the nation. Opening his speech with a resonant Jai Jagannath, CM Majhi expressed his confidence in India achieving a $5 trillion economy by 2047. Concluding his address, he reaffirmed the commitment to the people of Odisha, emphasizing his profound connection to the land and his people. He assured the public that his focus would be on working tirelessly for the betterment of Odisha, with a commitment to realistic and achievable goals, rather than making lofty promises.
सारा राज्य रे स्वाधीनता दिवस सुरखुरे पालन होईची एवं विशेषकर आमर जो माओ अध्युषित अंचल अच्छी से कौन सी खबर आसीनी से मैंने साधारणतः 14 तारीख राति से मैंने पोस्टरिंग करती विभिन्न जगार आगुरी सेमती नजर थिला ए वर्ष कौन सी जगह आम पोस्टर बर्तमान पर्यंत खबर आसीनी एवं सबुठी शांति श्रृंखला सहित आमर स्वाधीनता दिवस पालन होईची
सुरक्षा बलर कंटिजेंट रही छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस गोटे कंटिजेंट थे आम राज्य पुलिस विभिन्न विभाग कंटिजेंट भाग नहीं बाद होमगार्ड सिविल डिफेन्स एनसीसी स्काउट एंड गाइड रेड क्रॉस इमती टोटल मिसईक टोटल 58 टी कंटिजेंट भाग नहीं बहुत दिन पर आमर जो स्वाधीनता दिवस परेड अनुष्ठित होती
कंटिजेंट्स की पहले तो सिलेक्शन होती है, फिर उनको प्रॉपर ड्रेस में तैयार किया जाता है, फिर छोटी छोटी मूवमेंट्स का ध्यान रखा जाता है, जैसे विश्राम और सावधान, सबका एक कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए, बैंड के साथ कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए, पूरे जो फॉर्मेशन में चलते हैं उसमें कोऑर्डिनेशन होना चाहिए। तो 58 प्लेटून्स चल रहे थे, सबको कोऑर्डिनेशन के लिए काफ़ी अभ्यास कराया सभी ने, और इंडिविजुअली प्लेटून कमांडर्स हैव डन वंडरफुली वेल, और इट हैज़ बीन अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस।
Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.